At ngayon naman, puntahan natin si Carla Paderna.
Maraming salamat, Dayan. Ito naman kasama ko si Miss Blanche Deliera at Gay Dumlao para naman pag-usapan ito daw ang vocal workshop nila. So siguro po, kwentuhan niyo po kami. Tell us something about this event.
Okay. Actually, this is going to be on the 29th of November. It's entitled Sing Out Loud, a one-night vocal workshop. This is going to be from ages 6 to 70 years old. At ang kagandahan po nito, ma'am, is it caters also to the persons with disability.
Wow,
and also to those who are senior citizens natin na gusto matutong kumanta.
Paano naman po yung fees nito? Is this for free or may babayaran po ang ating mga participants?
Definitely free po to, ma'am. So, ang kagandahan, if you would like to have that workshop, free na po siya. At yung mga gusto nating matutunan po natin doon. Actually, I'm with one of our students na senior, si Gay.
Oho.
Para naman medyo young pakinggan. Young ones, ONCE.
Oh, okay.
Senior citizen.
Ayan, nako. Kamusta naman po ba ang workshop? Nag-enjoy naman po ba kayo?
Nakaka-enjoy. Para nakakadagdag ganda. Kumbaga.
Ayan, diba? Nakakabata. Ayan, again.
Young looking. I'm already 70 for your info.
Diba? Wala talagang age limit. Kung gusto nyo matuto, pwede kayo sumama dito sa Singing Out Loud Vocal Workshop. Ito po ay sa November 29, Saturday, 6 to 10 p.m. Again, maraming salamat po, Miss Blanche Deliera and Miss Gay
Can I just
Dumlao.
give the number that they can call?
Okay.
Okay, you can just text for the details for your names at 0915-325-3793. That's 0915-325-3793. Thank you, ma'am.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much. God bless.
Maraming salamat. At ito naman, mamaya yung dalawa ninyong estudyante, makikita natin mag-perform.
Alright, welcome back to Good Morning Boss. At syempre, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ang kasiyahan dito sa GMB dahil nga sa ating relaunch. Kung makikita niyo naman po, bagong aming set, bagong aming OBB. Congratulations to us, guys. Mga una na rin tayo dito sa studio. And of course, ayan po, nagtatapos ng isang oras natin pagsasama na puno-puno ng balitaan at impormasyon. Magsama-sama po tayo muli bukas. Same time, same channel. Maraming salamat. Ako po si Diane Medina and of course, we would like to greet happy birthday kay Mr. Philip, Direk Philip. At happy birthday, Direk. And of course, happy viewing sa ating paboritong writer.
Yes,
Kesa kay Joey, si Kim Garbon. Hi,
Kim!
Namimiss ka na namin dito sa GMB.
Okay, gawing makabuluhan po ang inyong araw. Ako naman si Audrey Goroseta. Pero bago ang lahat, nais ko lang batiin yung mga nakasama natin, Carla, sa White Cross Orphanage. Kasama natin ang Handyman at Faust.
Yes,
at syempre,
maraming salamat.
At syempre si Direk Philip. Manong Philip, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Jewels, for my clothes.
And ako naman, gusto ko rin munang batiin ang mga angels ng aking lolo na sila Ate Lil, Onyok, at lahat kayo dyan ang asa bahay. Nakalimutan ko na. At ito po ulit si Carla Paderna. Sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa isang oras nating pagsasama.
At syempre mga boss, sa pagtatapos natin, meron tayong mga performers for the day. Makasama natin si Revelie Tinong at si Christine La Forteza. Maraming salamat mga boss. Sama-sama pa rin tayo bukas sa parehong oras at sabay-sabay namin kayong babatiin ng
Good morning, boss!
Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus will make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. I won't ask for much this Christmas. I don't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for St. Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeer click. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? 'Cause baby, all I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. All the lights are shining so brightly everywhere, and the sound of children's laughter fills the air, and everyone is singing. I hear those fragrant singing. Santa, won't you bring me the one I really need? Won't you please bring it, baby, to me? Oh, I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is one thing I need. I just wanna see my baby standing right outside my door. Oh, I just want you